Today on Whoa That's Weird, we're going to be trying balut. It's a half-developed duck fetus and is a Filipino delicacy.
Whoa, whoa, that's weird.
Hello. One balut. Yes. You know, for such a Catholic country, you guys don't seem to be very pro-life. Love eating fetuses. There's a club over there called Plan B. Oh, this is it. So you are saying you should eat balut in the dark?
Yeah, so that you cannot see the chicken.
But I gotta get it in the light though, because
Try.
I'm filming Whoa That's Weird. You can teach me.
Balut. Just open the balut like this, no? In the heart down like this.
Oh, okay. Just
And
open
then
it on a
open
bite.
it like that.
So this is like halfway between an egg and a baby.
Yeah, the soup.
So soup. So first,
Yeah. You like it?
yeah, it's great.
Just
Oh, I think I just got a feather.
open now. You can see the cheek.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yeah, it's not that funny. Oh man, this looks really gross. Do you guys have like a sauce or anything, or? All right, here it goes. 1, 2, 3.
Delicious.
You just can't think.
Delicious.
Yeah, great. Oh. Oh. Ah. Whoa. That's weird.
Really fucking weird. Holy fucking shit.
What do you call that? In balut?
Oh, balut, it's a
You call that
fetus.
No, it's chicken abortion.
Yes. It's a chicken abortion.
Chicken abortion.
Yeah. It's a cute name. Yeah, I just ate an abortion. Whoa, that's weird.
Whoa, whoa, that's weird. Really fucking weird. Holy fucking shit.